So here we have separated the yolk from the white. So this is 2 eggs. We have separated the yolk and this. So with the yolk we are going to mix it with 1 cup of milk. So there you go. So this is it, and then the white eggs we are going to put it aside. So we are going to mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1.5 cup of flour. So here we have add 1 tablespoon of sugar. After adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This is the first one. Then the second teaspoons of baking powder. Then we are going to add a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So here we have 1.5 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So we are going to mix the dry ingredients. So we are going to mix the dry ingredients with milk and the yolk that we had mixed together. So this is it. So this is 1 cup of milk plus the yolk that we had removed from the egg. Now we mix the ingredients with a spatula. So here is 1 cup of milk, the yolk, 1.25 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So we mix them properly. So after mixing our mixture with the spatula correctly, we are going now to add the last ingredient. Now this is the white we had removed from the eggs. So we mix it with our mixture. So our mixture is ready. What we are going to do now, we are going to put a pan on the gas. So this is the pan we are going to use. So we are going to put a small chunk in our pan and wait for it to cook. Guys, our fluffy pancakes are ready. This is the outcome. the final results. Fluffy pancakes are ready.